Hey guys, have you ever downloaded a clip but the background music is so loud that it ruins the vocals? If you want to remove the background music and keep only the vocals, just like this.
I bring you gifts for your relief, and in honor of my father who came before me. I bring you gifts for your relief, and in honor of my father who came before me.
Now open After Effects and open your edit project. As you can see, I'll be removing the background music from this clip while keeping only the vocals. First, pre-compose your audio layer, then export only that audio in MP3 format, just like I'm doing on screen. We'll use this file for voice isolation. Once it's exported, open your browser and search for Voice Remover. Open the first website, click Browse Files, and upload the MP3 you just exported. Wait a few seconds for the AI to process it. After it's finished, download the Vocals Only file. Now go back to After Effects, import the new vocal file, and replace the original audio with it. And that's it.
I bring you gifts for your relief, and in honor of my father.
As you can hear, the background music is completely gone, leaving you with clean vocals only. Now you can add any trending or viral background music you like. I'm not adding one here because of copyright. Before exporting, don't forget to apply your favorite color correction. In this video, I'm using my Epic 8 KCC, which is available on my website if you want to achieve a similar look. You can increase the saturation a little bit and do changes, depends on your clip as you like.
I bring you gifts for your relief, and in honor of my father who came before me.
Finally, export your edit. I recommend using the QuickTime format for the best quality, just like these settings on screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more high-quality After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.